Hi, I'm Mike, Technical Product Specialist with Wagner. Did you know our Wagner premium pads and rotors are designed with corrosion-resistant technologies? Let me explain. Our OEX and OEX car brake pads are designed with our exclusive combination of superior galvanized steel plates with mechanical retention to provide better corrosion resistance and ultimately longer life and quiet operation. Galvanizing provides a strong protective barrier around the backing plate. A properly treated backing plate provides a better bond and inhibits rust jacking. Rust jacking leads to friction deterioration, separation, and unwanted noise. Galvanizing creates a better fitment over paint and powder coating. Our Wagner rotors are also designed for premium protection. They feature protective e-shield coating which is applied to non-breaking surfaces. The electrocoating inhibits salt penetration, dirt, and other debris which can start corrosion. This process gets into all the veining areas within the rotor. It's also visually attractive and results in easy removal for service since the rotor doesn't corrode to the hub. Pairing the Wagner OEX brake pads and the Wagner premium rotors together and you have a powerful combination fighting against corrosion. Visit wagnerbrake.com to learn more.